Hey guys, so the walnut strip has been soaking for almost 24 hours. I just pulled it out of that container I made yesterday. And I've got a Bessey clamp. I went ahead and cut a piece of wood to the same contour. Let's see if you can see that. I made same contour as the bowl. So all I'm trying to do today is to use this clamp and strap it around the bowl so that this piece of wood takes the shape, it dries and takes the shape of the bowl, the outside of the bowl. Then I can come back and actually glue it in once this piece is dry. Let's try to see what we get. It's definitely a lot more pliable. That was why I wanted to soak it. And I'm a little long. That's okay for my test. The main thing is just for it to take the shape. So, never done this before. I'm trying to experiment because I have another bowl I've got to make with this same type of methodology, if this works well. Definitely not easy. Another set of hands would definitely be great. But I usually don't have an extra set of hands in the shop. So let's tighten this. Kind of level this up. See, I'm just trying to get it lined up. I have an indention already made in this bowl, so I'm trying to fit between those grooves. The main part of today was to prove that the water soaking and the bending would make this take the initial shape of the bowl, so that when I glue it up, it's going to be much easier to get it to glue up evenly. I think we're there. Okay, so this is what I've got. I think that's going to work. So probably this weekend is when I'll have more time to work on this. This will dry, and I'll see if it kept the shape. If it did, that's going to make the final glue up with this similar method much easier. Let me know if you guys have ever done this.